it is competitive to get a job in engineering, especially at a big firm. So I knew this right from the beginning of my chemical engineering degree. So I've worked really hard and have done 2 summer placements and a year in industry. So my first summer placement was an intern in Hong Kong, working for a pharmaceutical company. And in that summer, I shadowed an engineer and learnt a lot about the regulations in pharmaceutical. And after that, I have decided to do another year placement in the pharmaceutical industry. And this was a technical role for the year, where I helped to solve any deviations of any products that we made in that site. But also doing that placement helped me to understand what it is like in the longer term in that year of working as an engineer, but also has built my contacts in this industry. And after that year, I actually decided I didn't want to pursue a career in the pharmaceutical industry. So then I decided to apply for another summer placement to try out the energy industry in a consultancy firm. And this summer placement also worked both ways. I really enjoyed my time at that consultancy because I really enjoyed the different ranges of projects that I could have worked on in that summer placement, as well as gained a lot of networking and contacts in that summer as well. And from that summer placement, I received my first graduate job